Hey guys, it's Megan. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is vlog 8. These are looking really nice. It is 8:54. We are waiting for my husband to get moving. We've been like doing every other day. Like he takes the kids morning one day and I do the next day. And it was my morning. Bummer, but true. I'm going to start off by doing my makeup for the day. I did a fun trick in my video yesterday. Let's do it again. Can you hear that in the background? I bet you can. My husband is currently taking out the vanity in our master bathroom. So while he does that really loudly, let me show you something I filmed yesterday, which is a tour of the before of our master bedroom. All right, guys, I have the whole crew. You guys say hi?
Hi.
And, oh gosh, Barrett.
We're making like a movie.
Making it like a movie, dude.
And we have everybody in here because Brendan is about to take out this nasty 1974 vanity. Okay, so the tour ended here in the other video, and this is our master bedroom. So there's 2 closets. Man, it's having a hard time in this lighting. Back there is the vanity. So we're gonna have them replace. Sorry, that's a weird transition, but my kids cannot handle me in there right now. We're gonna replace the bath, and the tile will be all new in the shower, and that is what we have people coming to do starting tomorrow. So Brendan's about to take out that vanity, hallelujah, and hopefully this will be a fun little giant massive project. Okay, the kids are back out here because they're hungry. We are home from our walk. Barrett has volunteered to make sandwiches because he said I was too slow, correct? Yep. So that's off to the races.
Let's go over to the other side where there's more peanut butter.
Yeah, now he has a lot of help, which feels right. Truman is in the fridge, and because our master bathroom will be being worked on, my husband is now in our living room. So the more the merrier at this point. Just kidding. And now Truman's here. Truman, can you say hey?
I like arms.
So the kids on our walk the other day saw, this is all very classy, saw other kids had made mud pies, and they were like, that looks fun. And I was like, yeah, totally, we'll do that. Hoping they'd forget. Did not forget.
I was making mud pies.
So we've got one in a swimsuit, one in a button down, and one in a probably appropriate outfit. Actually, I kind of think the swimsuit's the appropriate outfit. And now my house is full of people fixing my bathroom. So my 1,300 square foot house has 7 people here at it, and a dog. So far, that's going pretty well. Nobody's terribly covered in mud as of yet, but we have a backyard hose if it's needed. I don't know if I've showed you guys my backyard. It's my favorite thing about the house, possibly. This was all done before we got here, so this is a really nice deck. This is actually all brick, you can't see because of the thousands of leaves. Play area came with, oh yeah, now he's getting muddy. The shed was here, we painted it gray because it used to be really terrible yellow, and then it goes all the way over here. So this is where we hang out every minute. Oh, and there was a chalkboard already there too. It was the craziest thing for how horrible the house was. The backyard is phenomenal.
Mommy, can you put some water in Tilly's?
Yeah. All right, guys, checking back in. The plumbers just left for like their afternoon break, and so everything in here has been it's covered in plastic, and this whole area is totally empty now. Our plan is to fill this in, if I didn't cover that in the earlier video. New pedestal sink in here, and the whole tub has been removed, all the drywall, there's just the plumbing sitting out in the open. The toilet we're replacing, so they're gonna take that out when they get back, and then tile it. I'm feeling really excited because we've been in this house for over a year. We bought the house in September of 2018, so it's been a while since I had a master that had floors in it that weren't disgusting stained concrete. Oh, I did want to prove, look, there is disgusting shag carpet still left as a remnant to a different era underneath the mirrors in this room. And I'm so excited to kick off the last grand finale of it. Feels really good, actually, especially in this weird time where my anxiety is really high and my kids drive me crazy. And so adding on this as a little project just felt like the right time. Hopefully I have more to show you later this afternoon. Right now I have 2 babies napping. My husband's still working in the living room, so we gotta stay quiet. I think I'm going to take a chill pill for a little bit, relax. I'll check back in a bit. Plumbers are back. I have 1 baby up from nap. It is 3:36 p.m. and I am somehow just getting to the kitchen today. So if it wouldn't be too much of a bother, could you do something about this? Thanks, guys. You're really good at dishes. I gotta go get the crying baby up from now. It is 5:03 p.m. We're waiting for our favorite guy to finish up his work for the day. Okay, last time in this room for the day. Well, for y'all, you know, I live here. But this looks basically the same. The big changes are in here. So we have plumbing. We have a new spot for the shower head. So overall, we're just pretty dang excited that this is going to be done at some point. As far as in here in the rest of the room, we are gonna leave these mirrors as we are likely to rent this house out at some point. If we decide to sell, I guess we might change those out. I don't know, let me know. Do you hate mirrored doors or not? Otherwise in here, the whole room needs to be retextured. Very 1970s heavy orange peel. So that will be done. And then this color, it's pulling nice in the video, but it's very cream. So that will be updated. We're gonna do a wall treatment here on the back. Yes, that is my laundry pile. And then on the wall behind me where the sink will go and then the storage will go, this will be this really cute wallpaper and then new light fixture, obviously, new mirror, and then this will all be done. Oh, and then of course, new floors. And they'll be the same ones that are out in my living room and in the rest of my house. So that is the vlog for the day. I'll see you guys in my next video super soon. Don't forget to hit subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Megan Kingsford, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye!